Cable Biceps Curl. Attach a curl bar to the lowest setting of a cable pulley system. Keep tall and tight as you initiate your first strict arm curl. After a hard bicep squeeze at the top, lower the weight slowly, focusing on keeping the hands out away from the body. Try to control the weight down for 4 full seconds. This variation is useful if you're having trouble growing your arms, specifically the biceps. The accented eccentric, or lowering phase, makes it more effective, so you won't need as much weight on the stack as you think. For more advanced training tips and how to bring up weak body parts, check out fitnesspenpal.com or hit me up via social media.